Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Fenya and I'm your personal esthetician. In today's video, I want to talk to you guys about how I apply my foundation. Now, I don't have any foundation on right now. I just have my eyes. I have a little bit of shadow, mascara, concealer at the top, not on the bottom, just to, again, keep everything clear so I can show you guys how I apply my concealer and foundation. So before we get started, you guys know the drill. Like and subscribe and let's get to it. As I mentioned earlier, I do not have any foundation on. I have my eyes down, I have my mascara, my eyeshadow. I do not have any concealer on the bottom or a foundation on my face. I do have my skincare routine done and my face is pretty much prepped and ready for makeup. This routine is mainly for the summertime. So I do like to emphasize that I have oily skin, so my day-to-day foundation is slightly different than when I do go out to an event. So without further ado, let's get to it. All right guys, so let's start with the foundation. So the first thing I've done is prep my skin. I've put my moisturizer on, all my serums. My skin is ready. So let's pull my hair back. So this is the foundation that I use when I'm going out and about, not on a daily basis. This is when I'm literally out and having a good time. So I'm going to use the ColourPop Stick Foundation. I love stick foundations, guys. For oily skin type, again, I'm oily, so for oily skin types, I love stick foundations because it's not liquid and it's not a powder, so it's like perfect balance. Okay, so what I do, I just apply it on my T-zone. And that's it. I don't apply this all over my face because my T-zone is where I'm usually a little bit more oily, so I have larger pores there. So I just use the foundation there. The foundation is a medium 110W. I'll be also using Sigma Kabuki flat brush. This is the F80. I love this thing. This thing's amazing. So I just gently glide and I just spread the product, so this way I don't have a ton of foundation all over my face. Again, I like everything light and airy, so little for me goes a long way. I'm gonna blend this off camera so I can take a look in the mirror and I'll be back. All right, so I have everything blended. It's even, lightweight. I have two pimples up here, so what I like to do is just kind of press a little bit there. Tap, tap, tap. Get it nice and covered. So the next step is the Glow Skin and Beauty Honey Medium Press Base Powder. Now, I like to use this powder all over my skin. Now, if this is a day-to-day makeup, I skip this part and I literally just apply this. I apply this on my skin and I'm good to go. I don't really put foundation on. So I'll be using the Dose of Colors powder. It's just called a large powder brush. And I just tap it in there and set everything. Ta-da! So I'll quickly show you guys how I do my concealer as well. So I'm using the Glow Skin and Beauty Golden Oil-Free Camouflage Concealer. Looks like this. And I'll also use the brush. It's called the Jane Iredale Camouflage 10. This is an old school brush. I've had it for many, many years. So I just take a little bit. I need a mirror for this, so I am going to blend this in and I'll be back. I quickly wanted to show you guys how I actually blend it. So I blend with the brush a little bit towards the outer corner of my eye. And then I just like to use my finger. I know, call me old school, but I feel like my finger, the heat melts the product really nicely. And I'm not tugging, I'm literally tapping and just gliding at the same time, because you guys know I don't like to tug or pull this area. So I just tap and glide very gently. And then very gently just glide. Like I'm barely touching my skin. Okay, and then, okay. And then setting powder. I'm gonna use the Kat Von D Shade and Light. I love this palette. It's one of my favorites. As you can tell, I'll be using the one in the middle. It's kind of like the Banana Bright powder. So, I'm going to take this brush from ColourPop F5. So I use this brush just to set everything. Show you guys. Okay. Again, I'm not tugging or pulling, just glide. Bring it down here. Yeah, I don't like to contour too much unless, again, I'm going out, but this is kind of like what I like to do. And then I'll go ahead and contour, and I'm not like the best. I just wanted to show you guys what I use for oily skin types, normal to oily. So if you guys are out there like me and you guys want to give this a shot, I've been using this powder, the stick foundation for, I want to say, well, the stick foundation is maybe about 2-3 years, maybe even longer actually. But the powder I've been using for like, I wanna say 8 years, a long time. It's just been my go-to. It's lightweight, but at the same time, it covers for me really well. I also wanted to mention in the summertime, I use one shade darker, obviously. Just, I don't tan my face, but just in case, I use the Pressed Base Honey Dark. So this one's Honey Medium, this one's Honey Dark. So sometimes I'll mix the two if I wanna use it just for like a really light contouring or just to give me a little bit more bronzy look. I'll use this guy, but they're very, I mean, it's not too dark, just maybe a shade or two. All right guys, so this is the final look. So a little bit of contouring, a little bit of blush, lipstick, and you guys know the drill. I hope you guys liked this video. It was super quick, fast, easy. Just wanted to briefly show you guys. I had a lot of DMs in my Instagram asking what powder and foundation I use, so I just wanted to quickly make this video for all of you guys that are curious. So if you guys have any questions, please comment down below in the comment section and I would be happy to help. And if you don't follow me on Instagram or TikTok, it's Guidance to Glow. And I'll catch you guys on my next video and see you guys soon. Bye!